guys, eating a sandwich, but from a different bun. I'm not making an mukbang from my bedroom always. I'm making a mukbang outside. I'm gonna show you something from the end. Look at the so many. So yummy. I love this. I gave my sandwich to a kid. Look, this is the slice, and this is my pie. Binigyan ko lang. Binigyan ko lang. Gusto niya daw eh. Hindi. Filipino core. So windy ang Pilipinas! Super windy, so cold. I want to wear a jacket. Where's Dad? Nawala si Daddy. Mami, nasa yung Daddy? Super cold! That's why I always hate outside because it's super cold. I forgot to wear a jacket. I'm gonna wear a jacket.
Yan! Tataba si Kun. Yung kalokohan. Maganda-ganda pang puspos mo. Karamihan mga.
So hard. That's where the duck. This is our ducks. I'll show you the eggs. They laid 6 eggs.